Otu nwoke bịakwutere Jizọs ganaga nwoke ọsị gịnị ka ọ ga-eme ya weketa alaeze Chineke onye nwe anyị gwara ya o ya nkwa mmanụ ibe ya n'anya ya ma otu ahụ kondo. Good afternoon, my dear. Oluwaboy. Where you dey rush dey go like trailer wey fell break?
What is it?
I no shout. I just ask one question. You don't go up. Your mind is not clear. Where are you going?
Which one is that? Which one is that? My mind is not clear. I'm not in a haste.
You're not in a haste.
I rush. Got the muscle, so.
But where are you rushing to? Near Russia.
I get private lesson for house.
Yes,
huh?
yes. I actually am his private teacher.
Oh.
You know, he got his visa from Shanghai in Germany, so I need to teach him some languages: Spanish, Japanese, Swedish, and all that.
Yes.
So I'm also a private teacher. I teach privately.
But you know that Nigerian sound and all those country sound are not the same thing.
Exactly.
Our sound here.
Yes.
And their sound not be the same.
It's not the same thing. China sound, Germany sound, UK sound, Canada sound. They are not the same.
Exactly,
the same thing.
And when I teach him privately, he learns this very fast.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hold on. Why you Obioma? On your private lecturer. You say you teach privately.
Yes, sir.
You don't teach openly.
No.
So what happened to those who teach openly?
How? It will disturb me. Because she needs to teach me privately so that if I travel over there, everything will be private. But if she teach me, everything will be outside. Now, so I go to walk out to the whole of America or anywhere, or China. I will be walking around.
He will be shy to learn the sound if I teach publicly. He will be so shy.
She knows so many sounds.
So, you teach from the heart.
Yes, I teach from the bottom of my heart.
I've seen where you teach from.
Exactly.
I have seen where the wall of Jericho, where you fall down flat. I have seen the two center, the two black beds sitting on the wall. If you touch me, so my son no feeling. In fact, I'm interested in that sound. Come back. This very lecture, private lecture, it's like there's something about it.
What is
it's no longer this
it
private.
It doesn't matter. The sound when I see like one of the selects, something like that.
You know, Niana.
That's Germany.
Oh, you know, Niana.
Germany. Huh?
If you hear the Japanese sound, that one, Maka, give it to him.
Ha! Teacher taught me that place. You taught me that time. I started.
Exactly, sir.
Come on. Anonebe. Parakuku. No, you got parakuku. It was John no you dele. On Ghana. What rather na for sound that like Kenya.
The sound, the language.
Oh, is exactly what I'm saying.
Why wouldn't it be what you're saying? Why in Brobia Chestration won't be what you're saying? What else can you ever say in your life if not this? Akwanga kunya ungu chegona le private lesson. Here we call chalk, here we Chinese slate board.
Don't worry.
Makachineke, if you step an inch, I will chop you like carrot.
This is my father's lifestyle.
Is he interested in the sound?
You want to show me the sound?
Why not? Am I not legible enough? In fact, I went to visa this morning. My Arabic visa, London visa, Manchester visa, Canada visa, New York visa. Every visa is in my passport now.
When?
Teach us when. When too.
Let's be going.
You
got like here now.
I can actually teach everyone.
Good.
You want to teach him?
Yes.
No. When have I wait. We didn't get the saki.
Oh no, chin nigga. Yes. For your mama bomb.
God.
You got to go ahead and go to Reki. Go ahead and go to Reki.
Go to Jude Nwosu's house. They are sharing goats. I say Madia. Gang get then bring it home. Later, if you are coming back, make sure you alert me on time.
No chin nego. Kino no dun nego. I should go to Jude Nwosu. I'm on your Catrano Berry. I go and went for West Sound. Sound that haga kushi guitar. Mamma Gamo, they are on Yoshi. We're going to learn that sound equally, togetherly as family. Or family visa in water. You are traveling and I'm traveling. Mwakabana Morocco. Each me webu. Chifimo worldwide. Engen and I'm working. Tuntungenge. Ano Proncode Joano. Oh, to a new wine, put it on them. Nightmare to sugar boy. He's a webu. All this your drink, I don't believe I finished before now. Oh my God.